Okay. Kako, how Vietnamese talk. And this is the expression about me of a Vietnamese person. I will do your nails for ya. I will do your nails, but you have to pay me. But you must pay me $10. But you must pay me $10. Then I do your nail for you. I do your nail for you. You pay me $10. You give me $10, and I do for you nails. Nail. Nail. I do for you, and you give me money. You give me money. Money. I do really pretty nail for you. I do really pretty, very pretty nail for you. What you say? You give me money. I make you very pretty. I make you look very pretty. Beautiful boy, handsome boy, beautiful girl, pretty, very pretty.